This laptop is a very nice laptop. It's a Dell Latitude 3400. It's getting a DC jack replacement. I just gotta pull this guy out carefully. Out of here. It's glued or what? I think there's a partial glue holding it down. So I'm gonna have to blast it with a little bit of heat right here. Well, I'm not gonna put too much heat on it, so we don't want to melt the plastic. 150 degrees. Just enough. Oops. That came out. Screw that in so it won't fall off. Because I did put some glue in here. I'm gonna warm it up a bit. As you can see, and that's too low. I'm gonna make it a little higher. There we go. Now we're gonna put the new one in. I think these jacks are the same. Yeah. I'm gonna put this guy in first. That. And there it is. Hopefully it sits there. And now I'll put this guy back in. It's supposed to sit there. Like that. I have to find a screw for it. So give me a second here. See what screw can fit in here. There we go. That's in. And I'm gonna test it this time, see if it turns it on. This laptop here. That was an easy repair. I was waiting for it for 3 weeks to arrive. This was the old one here. You see the old one? I don't know if you can see it or not. That's the old one. So, I'm going to close the laptop. Now, the laptop should sit like this. Weird because the laptop case doesn't want to close in. Not sure why. If I push it down, maybe it'll close. Yeah. Okay, so now I gotta find an adapter for this. I know this laptop runs on 2.37 watts. So, see if he turns on. Aha, it is working. Perfect, and it's staying on. It's fixed. Yes, yes, it's working. There's the evidence. It's working. Cool. So, one happy customer. This is a business client. So this is a Dell 3400 and it's ready to go. It is an 8-core Core i5 8th gen. It's a business laptop. But again, it's ready to work. Awesome. Good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like the video. If you have any questions, send me a message. Bye.